Good day to all of you children. Children, in this video, we will see that if units of mass, length and time change, unit of mass is 1 kilogram, unit of length is 1 meter, unit of time is 1 second. Now, if these units change, means I don't take unit of mass as 1 kg, I take something else, say 20 gram, 100 gram, 0.1 kg, whatever. Unit of length I don't take as 1 meter, I say take 10 centimeter as 1 unit, or 50 centimeter as 1 unit, or 500 centimeter as 1 unit, something like that. And unit of time I don't take as 1 second, I consider 10 seconds as 1 unit, 25 seconds as 1 unit, or whatever. Then what is the value of the physical quantity which was so much in the old system where unit was 1 kg, 1 meter and 1 second, and now in new system, if I change the units of mass, length and time, what will be the value in that system of that same quantity we want to know. So if you have followed the question, see, calorie is the unit of heat energy and its value is 4.18 joules. The unit of calorie, it is a unit of energy, it is called calorie and its value is given to us as 4.18 joule. Means calorie is some type of energy, actually heat energy, and its value is given to me as 4.18 joule. Now you know joule is the unit of energy in SI system, but there will be kg, meter and second, kilogram, 1 meter and 1 second will be the standard units. In that system, when the unit of mass is 1 kg, the unit of length is 1 meter and unit of time is 1 second, in that case the value of calorie is given to me as 4.18 joule. And in a new system, unit of mass is alpha kg instead of 1 kg, unit of length is beta meter instead of 1 meter, and time is gamma second instead of 1 second. Find the value of calorie in new system. So supposing value of calorie in new system becomes x times the old value. So supposing 4.18 becomes x times the new value of calorie, we think like this. 4.18 was the old value, in the new system becomes x times and c dash the new value of calorie. We think like this. So 4.18 actually it is joule. Now please understand children, 4.18 has become x times the new value of calorie. So c is x c dash, I write like this. C becomes x c dash, I want to get x. What will be x? C is the value of calorie in the old system, C dash is the value of calorie in new system, and now supposing C becomes x C dash, I want to know what is x. So children, please realize this is joule actually. So joule means 4.18, joule means kg meter per meter square upon second square. Joule is a unit of work and that is kg meter square upon second square. So I write calorie 4.18 as kg meter square upon second square, that is x times c dash. In this system, what is 1 kg or what is 1 mass? Let us write. That is given to me as alpha. This is alpha kg. Okay. Then what is length? Beta. So I write beta meter and square, because kilogram is power 1, length is power 2, and upon time is gamma second now. So gamma second square, because there is square over here. So kg meter square upon second square, instead of kg now I put alpha kg. Instead of meter square I put beta meter whole square. Instead of second square I put gamma second whole square. 1 second has become gamma second, 1 kilogram, alpha kilogram, 1 meter, beta meter. And powers remain according to whatever is the dimensional formula, like this. So this is 4.18 kg meter square upon second square becomes equal to x into alpha beta square upon gamma square. See, alpha beta square and gamma square into kg meter square upon second square, kg meter square upon second square. So kg meter square second square gone. So 4.18 becomes x into alpha beta square upon gamma square. So what is x then? X will become 4. This will come over here, so this will become alpha minus 1, beta minus 2, or I write formula like this first, gamma square upon alpha beta square. This comes over here, this comes down. So beta square. So what is x actually? 4.18, alpha raised to -1, beta raised to -2, gamma square. This is x. This is new value of calorie x, where x becomes 4.18. So I write 4.18 calorie will become 4.18 alpha -1, beta -2, and gamma 2. Like this we write. Please pause and copy, children. Please pause and copy. Okay. Then I do next one for you. I wrote this. Please pause and copy. There is next sum for me. Okay. Then see, next one is given to me. Density of material is 8 gram per centimeter cube. CC means centimeter cube. In a new system of units, where unit of mass is 20 gram, length becomes 5 centimeter. Find density in new system. Nothing has been said about time. Only mass is changing from 1 kilogram to 20 gram. Length is changing from 1 meter to 5 centimeter. Nothing is said about time. That means units of time are not changing. It is remaining seconds in the old system and new system as well. Find the density in new system. The density in new system, I write like this. Supposing density becomes x rho. New value of density becomes x times the old value of density. Supposing we think like this. So density in new system, that I want to find out. Rho dash means, see what is the formula for density? Kg upon meter cube means this is mass raised to 1, L raised to 3. So rho dash means what? See what is the mass for rho dash? In new system, what is mass? 20 gram. So I write over here 20 gram upon what is the length given to me? 5 centimeter cube. So 5 centimeter cube. Mass upon volume. This is equal to x. Density that is given to me as 8 gram. 8 grams. So gram upon centimeter cube. Like this it is given. So 20 gram upon 125 centimeter cube becomes x into 8 gram upon centimeter cube. Now gram upon centimeter cube gets cancelled out. So 20 upon 125 is equal to 8x. So x becomes 20 upon 125 into 8, and that is 4 2s are 4 5s are 5 1s are 5 25s are. So that is 1 upon 50. The x I get is 1 upon 50. I write over here. Rho dash becomes 1 upon 50 density. That means density becomes 1 upon 50 times the old value. That is what I have to think. So rho dash is 1 upon 50 times the old value, or I can say old value is 50 times the new value. Rho is 50 times the new units, or new units are 1 upon 50 times the old units, like this. Please pause and copy, children. Now a similar practice, children. Very easy questions actually. It is a repeated practice. In a new system, mass is taken as 10 kg instead of 1 kg. Unit of length is 10 centimeter instead of 1 meter, and unit of time is 1 meter instead of 1 second. So 1 megawatt power means 10 raised to 6 power will be how much in new units that you want to know. So 10 raised to 6 power, 10 raised to 6 mega means 10 raised to 6 watt power, supposing is equal to x p dash, where p dash is the new value of power with new units. So we want to know that. Now children, realize that power is kg meter square upon second cube. So we put the units on both the side. Watt means 10 raised to 6 kg meter square upon second cube, x into new units of power. See mass is how much? 10 kg. So 10 kg meter square, length is 10 centimeter. So I can write it as 0.1 meter and square. And time is 1 minute. So I write 1 minute and cube. So 10 raised to 6 kg meter square upon second cube will become x into 10 into 0.1 square 1 minute means 60 seconds, तो 60 cube, then this kg मीटर स्क्वायर अपॉन सेकेंड क्यूब. ठीक है, 1 मिनट को वी रोट 60 सेकंड, तो 60 क्यूब ईयर एंड सेकेंड क्यूब ईयर, किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर ईयर एंड 0.1 स्क्वायर ओवर 4. तो kg मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड क्यूब गेट्स कट आउट, तो 10 raised to 6 becomes equal to x into 10 upon c. 0.1 means 1 upon 10, तो 100 and this 60 cube, तो 10 raised to 6 into 100 into 60 means 216 into 10 cube upon 10, that is x. This comes here, this comes down. So this is 10 raised to 6, 8 and 11 and upon 10. So this is 216 into 10 raised to 10, that is x. So therefore I can say that P becomes 216 into 10 raised to 10 P dash. P equal to xp dash. X I will put up. This will get relation between power and power dash. So old power will be 216 into 10 raised to 10 P dash, or P dash will be P upon 216 into 10 raised to 10. This way we have to think. Then in the next one, children, in a new system, mass is 0.1 kg, length is 100 meter, time is 100 seconds. New velocity is dash times the old velocity. So supposing v dash becomes xv, new velocity becomes x times the old velocity. We think like this. Velocity is meter per second. Write the unit. So this is meter upon second is equal to x into. Okay, this was v dash, so new units I have to write. V dash means how much is the length? 100 meter. So 100 meter upon time 100 seconds. That will be equal to x into speed, unit of speed meter per second. So meter squared cut out, so 1 is equal to x. That means v dash is v. No change. Then you talk of force, new force. F dash becomes xf. And what is the unit of force? kg meter upon second square. So right over here. F dash. Kilogram how much? 1 kg is 0.1. So 0.1 kg. Mass, length 100 meter. 100 meter upon time 100 second. So 100 second square. That becomes x into. Force means kg meter upon second square. So this is 0.1 into 100 upon 100 square kg meter upon second square equal to x into kg meter upon second square. Kg meter upon second square gets cut out. This is 1 upon 10, so this will be 10. And 10 upon 10 raised to 4. That will be 10 raised to cube. So 1 upon 10 cube will be x. So x is obtained as 1 upon 10 cube. Let us put over here. So f dash becomes f upon cx is 1 upon 1000. I write over here 1 upon 1000. So f dash is f upon 1000. Similarly, pressure is dash times old pressure. So P dash is equal to xp. And what are the units of pressure? Force upon area. So kg upon meter second square. Units of pressure. So P dash means how much kilogram? Kilogram is 0.1 kg upon meter second square. Meter means 100 meter. Second square, so 100 second ka square. This is equal to x into what are the units of pressure? Kg meter second square. So this is 0.1 upon 100 into 10 raised to 4 kg upon meter second square x into kg upon meter second square. This gets cancelled out. So again this is 1 upon 10. So this will become 10 raised to 3, 10 raised to 4. So 1 upon 10 raised to 7 is equal to x. Put over here. So P dash is P upon 10 raised to 7. This way we get. Similarly for energy, children, E dash is equal to xe, and E is kg meter square upon second square. So kilogram means how much? 0.1 kg. Length means how much? 100 meter. square time 100 seconds square is equal to x into kg meter square upon second square. तो kg meter square second square will get cancelled out. 0.1 into 100 raised to square upon 100 square equal to x. So x becomes 1 upon 10, 0.1. So what do we write over here? I can write over here. E dash will become x is 1 upon 10, e upon 10. Like this you will get the answer. Please pause and copy, children. See children, two more sums for practice. In a new system, the unit of mass instead of 1 kg is taken as 100 kilogram. Length instead of 1 meter is taken 1 kilometer. Time instead of 1 second is taken as 100 seconds. Energy is called eluge. We call it joule in our system. E, they are calling it eluge in the new system. Actually, it is nothing but joule written opposite, other way around. So Joule, you can see that. So joule is written in reverse order. So eluge they are calling E dash. So what is the relation between E dash and E? E dash will be how much times E? So you know how to do this type of children. E dash, supposing it is x times E, and we know the units of E, energy is kg meter square upon second square. Put them over here. How much is kilogram in new units? 100 kg. So 100 kg. How much is this length? Square. Length is 1 kilometer. Means that is 10 cube meter and it will be square because square. Time 100 seconds. So 100 seconds square is equal to x times. This is kg meter square upon second square. So 100 into this will be 10 raised to 6 upon 10 raised to 4 kg meter square upon second square is equal to x kg meter square upon second square. This gets cancelled out. So this is 10 to, so 10 raised to 4 is x with me, I put over here. So E dash is 10 for E, or I will write eluge is 10 raised to 4 joule, like this I can think. Then next one children. In a new system, mass is taken as 10 gram instead of 1 kg, length is taken as 10 centimeter instead of 1 meter, time is taken as 0.1 second instead of 1 second. The new unit of force is called Newton N dash. Again it is Newton in reverse order. Anyway, they are calling it Newton N dash in new system. So how much is N dash in terms of N? So we write, supposing N dash is x times N, and what is the unit of Newton? Kg meter upon second square. Let us convert. N dash kilogram, how much is new unit? 10 gram into length, how much is length? 10 centimeter upon what is time? 0.1 second ka square, that is equal to x into Newton 1 kg meter upon second square. Now children, convert. 10 gram means how much? This will be 10 upon 1000 kg. 10 centimeter means 10 upon 100 meter upon 1 upon 10 second square. This is equal to x kg meter upon second square. So kg meter upon second square cancels out. I am left out with 10 into 10 upon 1000 into 100, and this 10 square goes up is equal to x. So 10 square 100 gone, 1 upon 10. So 1 upon 10 is x. Therefore n dash is n upon 10. So 1 not 1 is Newton upon 10, like this. Please pause and copy children. We are having 3 more questions. If the units of mass and length are doubled, means new mass becomes 2 kg and new length becomes 2 meter. Units are doubled. Means in new system, new mass will be having units 2 kg and length will be having units 2 meter. That is the point. Units of kinetic energy will become how many times the old unit? So kinetic energy will become how many times the old unit? So I will write it as k dash equal to xk, where kinetic energy has got the unit kg meter square upon second square. Kinetic energy means energy. The units of energy are kg meter square upon second square. So we write over here k dash new units. See, kilogram, mass and length are doubled. So I write 2 kg. Length is also doubled. So 2 meter square upon second square is equal to x into kinetic energy kg meter square upon second square. So this becomes 8 kg meter square upon second square is equal to x kg meter square upon second square. So x is 8, put over here. So k dash is 8k. So new kinetic energy is 8 times the old kinetic energy. We think like this. If the unit of force and length are doubled, now children please pay attention. Till now what was happening? We were only changing the mass, length and time. Here force and length are doubled. It is asking us what are the new units of energy. So now you don't have to express energy in terms of kg meter square upon second square, because mass, length and time are not changing. Now force and length are changing, so try to express energy in terms of force and length. So now you will have to use your brains in these type of sums. Energy is asked how much it will become as compared to the old one. But here mass, length and time are not changing, force and length are changing. So try to express energy in terms of force and length. So we already know that energy is force into length. Force into displacement is work done, and that is equal to energy. So E is force into length, we know that. Now E dash becomes xe. Okay, energy is F into L. New force doubled, so 2F. Length, new length 2L is equal to x into force into length. Energy force into length. Here energy new force new length, because energy is force into length. So new energy means new force into new length, and this energy means force into length, like this we think. F and L cancelled out, so 4 is equal to x. Put it over here in this equation. E dash becomes 4E. So new energy is 4 times the old energy. Again, if the units of mass, length and time are doubled, instead of 1 kg now it is 2 kg, instead of length it is 2 meter, instead of 1 meter, instead of 1 second now it is 2 second in new system. How many times is the new angular momentum? Now because you don't know what is angular momentum, children, so units are already given to you. So angular momentum, supposing it is denoted by, supposing x, actually its symbol is capital L, but I am not using capital L because it will be confused with L, length. So I am using supposing capital X. So capital X is supposing x in new angular momentum, x dash, is x times the old angular momentum. And it is told to me that angular momentum is measured as kg meter square upon second. Let us put it, x dash, kg dash, meter dash, second dash. Kg dash, how much it is? It has become double. So 2 kg. Then length ka square, 2 meter ka square, doubled. Time also doubled, 2 seconds. That is x into kg meter square upon second. So kg meter square second cancelled out. So 2 into 2 square upon 2 is x. So x is 4. Put it over here. So x dash is 4x. So new angular momentum is 4 times the old angular momentum. Like this you have to think, children. Please pause and copy. Children, last one for this video. In a new system, instead of 1 kg, mass is alpha kg. Instead of 1 meter, sorry, I am mistaken. Instead of 1 meter, length is taken as beta meter. And time, instead of 1 second, it is taken gamma second. So what is new force in terms of old force? N for Newton, that means force. J for joule, matlab energy. Pascal means pressure. So what is new energy in terms of old energy? What is new pressure in terms of old pressure? We have to find like this. So it is very easy only, children. Supposing N dash, we write as x Newton. And what is the formula for Newton? Newton kg meter per second square. N dash means kg dash, m dash, second dash. What is kg dash? Alpha kg. What is meter? it is beta meter. And what is time? Gamma second whole square. That is x into kg meter upon second square. Kg meter second square gone. So alpha beta upon gamma square, that is x. Put it over here. So n dash becomes alpha beta upon gamma square into Newton. This is the first relation that we want. Then we want about energy. So supposing E dash is xe and energy is kg meter square upon second square. So kg dash means alpha kg meter square. So beta meter square time gamma second square. X into kg meter square upon second square. Kg meter square second square gone. Alpha beta square upon gamma square is x. Put it over here. So E dash becomes alpha beta square upon gamma square into E, like this. Finally, children, about pressure. So Pascal dash is x into Pascal, and the unit for Pascal is kg upon meter second square. So kg dash means alpha kg upon meter. So meter means beta meter. Time square means gamma second square is equal to x into unit of pressure Pascal kg meter upon second square. Pascal kg meter second square gone. Alpha upon beta gamma square equal to x. Put it over here. So Pascal dash is alpha upon, like this we get. Okay, children. So today you learned how to get value of a physical quantity in terms of new units. How to get F dash in terms of F, how to get gravity in terms of Newton, energy, pressure, whatever in terms of volt velocity, volt system, that you came to know. Thank you. We'll come up with some more numericals on this unit system. Thank you, children. God bless you.